Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope you all are fine at your homes, and I'm your SST teacher. Today we are going to start our exercise of lesson 1. But students, before starting the exercise, I will just summarize a little about our previous lesson. What we studied in that lesson, we studied about 4 provinces of Pakistan. We studied about the physical maps of every province. We read about landforms like plateau, plains, mountains, hills, and valleys. My dear students, for a better understanding, you should read the lesson at least 2 times, and after that, you will be able to solve the exercise yourself. So now I am going to show you how to maintain the page of your notebook. First of all, you will be writing day here. You can write classwork here, although it's not your classwork, but you will write something here. You will write date here. Unit 1, our land and its people. Chapter 1, physical features, page 1 to 7 of textbook. First topic is vocabulary words, the words which we learn in this chapter. New ones: tributary, coastline, erosion, inadequate, mangrove, irrigation, abundant, silt. I mentioned all these meanings in your previous lesson while I was explaining the chapter. You can write down the meanings for yourself at your book with pencil, or you can also write it down in your notebooks. Now let's come towards the question and answers. First one question is, what are plateaus? A plateau is high land rising above the land surrounding it. It is also known as tableland because it is flat on the top. The answer is written here for the question number 1. But the rest of the exercise you have to solve it yourself, students. You should write only one line answer. The second question is, what is the length of Makran coast? The third question is, which sea is located near Balochistan? The fourth question is, what are dunes? Fifth question is, what is a valley? Number 6, which desert is located in Sindh? Number 7, which province is located in the southeastern part of Pakistan? Number 8, define the term tributary. Students, you can find out the answers of these questions in your textbook easily, and in this way you will also memorize these questions, and you will be writing the answers of these questions yourself. Now here I have an interesting activity for you. You can do it at your home on a loose sheet or in your notebook as well, and you can share your pictures with us on our Facebook page. Write a note on your own province, including its physical features, population, and its map pointing the famous cities of your province. You can take the help from Google. You can also take the help of your parents, and you can do this activity very easily at your homes. Now, after some written work in your notebooks, we are going to start our social studies workbook of grade 4. And let's start from page number 1, chapter number 1, physical features. You can see this is a puzzle, and you have to solve it with the help of clues. Some clues are given here, and some clues are given here, which are at the downside, like it's 1. So you can see the 1 is going downward. Like it's number 4, you can see number 4 is going across, not downward. I have solved some of them to make it easy for you, and the rest of the blanks you are going to fill them up with the help of these clues. Okay, so first of all we will start from number 1, which is written here at the end of the page. On which plateau are Rawalpindi and Islamabad situated? The answer of this is also given in your SST textbook, and the answer is here, that is Potahar Plateau, which is written here. You can see the spelling is Potahar Potahar Plateau. Then I have done number 2, which is, which pass in Balochistan connects Iran to Pakistan? The answer is Now number 6 is, where is the salt range located in Punjab? And the answer is here. The place is Khewra, Khewra. Then it's number 7. Which sea borders Karachi? Means which one sea is near to the coastline of Karachi, and the sea name is Arabian Sea. You can see in this thing in the map of Pakistan. Arabianseac, Arabian Sea. Now the rest of the blanks are written here and you need to solve it yourself. Number 4 is, which mountain range lies in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa? You need to write the name of that range. It's written here already. That's Hindu Kush. Number 5, Ravi, Chenab, Satluj, Beas and Jhelum are the tributaries of which river? You need to mention the name of that river. Which type of swamps can be found along the coastline of Sindh? This is also in your textbook and you should see that paragraph of the province about Sindh. Then you will find your answer. Number 9, which desert region is in Sindh? You need to write the name of that desert region. Which is the most famous pass connecting Afghanistan to Pakistan? You need to write the name of that pass. Which plateau lies to the west of the Suleiman Kirthar range? After solving the puzzle, then turn your page, and this is now page number 2 of your SST workbook. Again, this is a very simple question. You can do it yourself. Name the physical feature and give an example. Number 1, hills of sand. Which one physical feature is it? It is dunes, which is clearly written in your textbook. And the example is Thar Desert because we have some high and low dunes in that desert. Number 2, a low area of land resting between two mountains. As we have studied this in our textbook, that this is a valley. And an example is Kaghan Valley. You can also write some other valleys too if you want to write them. Number 3, now you have to solve the rest of the exercise yourself. High land rising above the land surrounding it. This is mentioned in your textbook on page number 2. A smaller river that feeds a larger river. Page number 6 of textbook. You can find out the answer of this on page number 6 of your textbook. A large flat area of land in the areas between rivers. Page number 7 of textbook. The answer is on page number 7 of your textbook. It is also known as tableland. It is very much simple. The answer is on page number 2 of textbook. Rivers usually flow through it. The answer is on page number 4 of textbook. They continuously change their shape. The answer is on page number 3 of textbook. Dry and barren. The answer is on page number 3 of textbook. They sprang up because of the mixture of the sweet water of the river Indus and the salty water of the Arabian Sea. And this answer is again on page number 3 of your textbook. And here it was the end of your first chapter, physical features. We are done with the notebook task and we are also done with the workbook task. We will start our next chapter in next video, the second chapter of unit 1, that is population. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.